Hello, everyone. In this question, we're going to look at number 5, and it says the cost in dollars for manufacturing a phone is C of X equals 21,000 plus 300X, where X is the number of phones produced. We want to find the average cost function C bar of X, which is C of X divided by X. Now, notice that this is actually a very simple question. A lot of people freak out about this one. Don't. C bar of X here is simply taking the function 21,000 plus 300x and dividing it all by x. And there's nothing wrong with that. You can leave it exactly the way it is. And there we go. And then notice we want to find the limit as x goes to infinity of C bar of x now. Now, to do that, we're going to say, hey, we're going to take the limit as x goes to infinity of this function, which is a rational function. So this means I need to go ahead and divide everything by the highest degree in the denominator, and the highest degree in the denominator is x. So whenever I do that, this is going to be the limit as x goes to infinity of 21,000 divided by x plus 300x divided by x all over x divided by x. Now notice that x over x is just 1. 21,000 over x is just 21,000 over x. So we have the limit as x goes to infinity of 21,000 divided by x, and then plus 300x divided by x. The x's cancel. We're left with 300. Notice that in the denominator here, we don't need it because it's just 1 already. There's no reason to deal with it. So, oh, look, there you go. Plug in infinity for x. This goes to 0, and I'm just left with 300. So this is equal to 300. So the limit as x approaches infinity of C bar of x is 300. Now, letter C says to use a complete sentence to interpret the answer on part B. Now, notice that C bar of x is the average cost. And so the limit as x goes to infinity is what's the average cost going to become as x gets really, really, really large. In other words, it's going to equal 300 for the average cost of the phone. So this is telling me the average cost will approach $300 as x becomes very large. And there we go. That is question 5. Have fun.